Alright.
You were close to the child as well?
Yes, sir.
Her child?
Yeah. Me and him go all about when in there.
Okay.
Most time in Ghana, chain and with everything, keep take care of him, son.
When you get the news, there's something wrong.
I like a while, I come from a cow, I look in a way of the man.
Rabble Rabble show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it.
Rabble Rabble, you don't know say the one and only National Rabble Danger, and on this platform we do things different. There are a few things that I'm going to say, and I know it's going to hurt a lot of feelings, but here we're going right now. I don't care. I'ma say that for said this. I am Jamaican, right? And we always said Jamaican set the most trend. So here what me I say right now, who set the trend for woman and picnic are dead. I want to know. Because it no look good. None at all. January Rabblings, which part the real man them dead? What they at Jamaica? Because right now, I can tell you the majority of the man them out there are lose it. Rabblings, I want to know where Jamaica morals and principle gone. It hurt me. Pray this, idiot upon ends with youth surround them. What is it him can teach them? Tell me because I want to know. Right now Jamaica needs some leaders. The thing need for reset. Agree or disagree, make me know. And I gotta ask the question again, where the man them at Jamaica get it from for a kill, woman and picnic? It hurt me. Rabblings, at the end of the day, Jamaica have a lot of broken family because we fail to understand with each other. And Rabblings, too much things go on in a Jamaica what end up just be end start. What we not do nothing about as a nation. Agree or disagree, make me know. Rabblings, spread this. 70% increase weather in child sexual abuse. How really are going with the man them? Rabblings, when me step outside, me say 20 woman before me say one picnic. So check the ratio. What a man I do with a picnic. As me say Rabblings, too much things are going in a Jamaica what just end up be end start. And mothers, try to instill morals in your daughters because the man them out the road, not even a wait for them for grow. Imagine that. Rabblings, me not even want to imagine it. But at the end of the day, our reality. It hurt me. Rabblings, Jamaica the land we love, and right now we need to fix it. Rabblings, Jamaica is the only country in the world where babysit our government and corrupt with each other. Rabblings, let us fix our communities. Some things are going in our little country and it not look right. Agree or disagree, make me know. Man a lose it, woman a lose it. Right now we need to find it like elephant man. But Rabblings, there's a saying, you're not gonna feel it until it reach at your doorstep. That's all me have to say. Rabble Rabble, straight Rabblings.
Always want to be a soldier?
Yeah, man.
How old do you grow from?
2, 3 months.
Okay. So you're touring?
Yeah, man.
When was the last time you see her and spoke to her?
Friday, yeah, man. When you come from work, man. Friday, you come and work on that side. Friday, you come and work, you know. Friday. Man call him and say, baby wants something, man. I say, can baby come, man, make we go out. Like, man, you know how come. I say, I come in.
We understand that she was at camp for a while because of the corona thing. They never
Yeah, man, that camp, long.
Let's tell me about her personality. What was it like growing up with her and some of your fondest memories?
That man is a nice girl, man. Growing up, man. Nice girl. Alright.
You were close to the child as well?
This side.
Her child?
Yeah. Me and him go all about when in there.
Okay.
Enough time in Ghana, chain and with him, man. Keep take care of him, son.
When you get the news, there's something wrong.
I like a while, I come from a cow, I go look in, wake up the man this morning and go look cow. And I go and find a man call me from yesterday. She and me go get it. And then go out with me car. Couldn't find them. That's so cute. I look at some mango. God, Friday, he come home and told me some eat mango. I say, you want to eat mango, man? And I make sure that mango, she go pick a couple mango. Come on, I wish I gate and give me goat. Come cut some bread nut, give me goat. My wife and tell me say, "Nah, the women come see me. The women, the police them come in. A man and them can't find him. Like man kill poachy. I'm say kill poachy. Them say cheap coffee man. I work for the man down there. And the next man, boy down there. Then I find my own day. I work. Him.
Rabble Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, so remember for like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabblings.